All right, this is a review of a Pixel 1 I got in October of 2017. It's now February 2018. It's been great. I had a mic problem like some people had, but they replaced it. It's had this cracked screen cover on it, not a screen, that I want to replace, so I thought I'd do a review. The screen didn't crack at all. Also, I should say this is a Yotech tempered glass screen protectors. I think they come with 3. They seem great. And this case is a Spigen. I don't know the model number. It's been fine. And I've had a case on since the first day, so let's take that off. It's looking pretty good. The camera's amazing on this. I think that's been the funnest part. I did drop it in some water in the washing machine briefly, not washing for too long, and the flash got some water in it, so I know the water made it inside. And the only thing it really did was shorten the battery life a little, I noticed, but otherwise it recovered fine. Generally, this phone has been awesome. I think it's equivalent to an iPhone 7. If you like these kind of phones at this price, I think it's totally worth it. Uploading to YouTube is quick. All the apps work. I'm trying to think. I don't use the fingerprint ID much. I'm not in a city. I'm not too worried about if I lose the phone. And as I said, my favorite part is the camera. I noticed the camera has really good guide frames, including the golden ratio, not just the rule of thirds. I also like that it has a mini jack. The integration with Google is, of course, slick. One of my favorite apps is KindMaster, even the free version. You can literally edit videos right on the phone, which I know isn't a new thing, but this really does edit very well. I've also really liked the free app Starlight. It's just a very simple, free constellation viewer. Anyway, overall, I'd say this is a rockin' phone, the Pixel 1, and I've been very happy with it. Good luck out there.